All right, guys, check this project out. Completely covered. This pond has been covered for 15 years. You could walk across it. The vegetation was so dense and thick, you could literally walk across this pond. Now, we went in, removed all the vegetation, all the trees, and basically gave our client their pond back. Had plenty of water. It just, client worked offshore, kind of got out of hand for him, and he just never could get it back. So he actually lives right down the road from our shop. He had been seeing us and talked to him last year and didn't go through. And then this year he gave us an opportunity. So it took us 2 days in and out, and we were able to find his pond. You know the old saying, it ain't over till the fat lady sings. Well, the fat lady didn't get a chance to sing on this one. We pulled out tons of trees and vegetation out of this. Here's the final product. Client's gonna add some fish, get down some grass growing, and he's gonna be all set to enjoy his pond. Hope you enjoy.